Welcome children. This is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am your botany teacher. Now I am going to teach Unit 5 Plants in Daily Life. Let's move on to the lesson children. Yes, we are living in a green planet. Plenty of natural plant resources are around us. The plant's relation to human welfare as food, clothing, shelter and medicine either directly or indirectly. Indirect usage includes the needs of man's livestock and the maintenance of the environment. The benefits may be domestic, commercial, environmental or aesthetic. The next one is economic botany is the study of relationship between people and plants and the uses of plants in economy. From the earliest time, rice, wheat and millet have been the staple food of a vast population of India as indicated by the presence of charred grains in most of the excavation sites. The next one is the plants are classified into 6 types. First one, plants as food. Second one, spice yielding plants. Third one, medicinal plants. Fourth one, fiber yielding plants. Fifth one, timber yielding plants. Sixth one, ornamental plants. First one, plants as food. Plants are the main source of food for humans. These plants are known as food plants. We eat different parts of plants such as root, stem, leaf, seeds, unripe and ripe fruits. Introduction of plants in daily life. We need plants for basic human purpose. We eat them in many forms. We make medicines, soaps, furniture, textiles, tires and much more from them. Plants play a very important role in our lives. We can classify the food plants as following. First one, vegetables. We eat vegetables from different parts of the plants like roots, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits. Next one, cereals. Cereals are edible components of grain of cultivated grass. Example, rice, wheat, bajra, millet. The next one is pulses. Pulses are edible seeds of plants legume family. Pulses are secured in pots. Example, Bengal gram, green mung bean. The next one is spices. Spices are aromatic parts of tropical plants traditionally used to flavor the food. Spices come from the bark of roots of certain plants, leaves, flowers or stems of plants primarily used for flavoring, coloring or preserving food. The next one is spices used in India. Following spices are included in a variety of Indian dishes: cardamom, black pepper, curry leaves, fenugreek, fennel, ajwain, bay leaves, cumin, coriander seeds, turmeric, cloves, ginger, nutmeg and cinnamon. The next topic is medicinal plants. Some of the plants around us are good in healing our diseases. We call these plants as medicinal plants. Some alleviate burns, cut, cold, fever, sneezes and more. Some chemical components in the medicinal plants act against insects, fungi and certain germs. Next, some highest medicinal value plants. First one, amla. Parts used, fruit. Medicinal use, cure vitamin C deficiency disease like scurvy. Improve immunity. Next one, tulasi. Parts used, leaves, seed. Medicinal use, cough, cold, bronchitis. Next, third one is aloe. Parts used, leaves. Medicinal use, laxative, wound healing, skin burns and ulcer. Next, fourth one, neem. Parts used, bark, leaf and seed. Medicinal use, skin diseases. The next one, turmeric. Parts used, rhizome. Medicinal use, helps body to fight diseases. The next one is fiber yielding plants. Plants which give us fibers necessary for our uses are called as fiber yielding plants. The fiber from these plants can be spun into thread, rope and cloth. These fibers are called as natural fibers. We can classify the fiber yielding plants into two types. First one based on use. Second one based on the plant pots. We can see the first one based on use. Textile fibers. Example cotton. Second one cottage fibers. Example coconut fiber. Third one filling fibers. Example silk cotton. Next, second one based on the plant pots. First one, plant fibers include seed hairs. Example cotton. Second one, stem fiber. Example jute. Third one, leaf fibers. Example agave. Fourth one, husk fibers. Example coconut. Next, some important points. India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world. World Food Day is celebrated by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, short form FAO. FAO means Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. World Food Day, October 16th. In India, jute crop is grown in 7 states. First one West Bengal, second one Assam, third one Odisha, fourth one Bihar, fifth one Uttar Pradesh, fifth one Tripura and last seventh one is Meghalaya. Thank you children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.